everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. I was able to go to the Dollar Tree yesterday, and although my Dollar Trees are still not doing really great as far as having anything new on the shelves, they are slowly starting to trickle some stuff in. But I have to say that when I was there, I overheard two employees talking to each other, and one of them said that their manager told her, do not put out summer items. Do not put out anything summer right now. And she was complaining because she didn't know what she was supposed to do with everything because they got so much summer stuff. So now I'm excited and I can't wait for the summer stuff to come out. But I don't understand why the manager would tell her not to put it out. So anyway, I don't know. That's weird because I did go to about 3 Dollar Trees, and one of the other ones that I went to did have some summer stuff out. Nothing to write home about. It wasn't anything great. They did have some florals and things like that out. But anyway, with that being said, the haul that I have here, there's just a few little things that I picked up, and I don't know. But there was some new makeup though, so that was kind of exciting. So anyway, also, if you notice, I am filming in a different room. This is my craft room. It is not, I've been working on it tirelessly for over a month now on trying to get it organized, and I would say about halfway there. But I still got some things I need to do. I'm looking for a couple of, like a table, like an L-shaped table where I can do my crafting. Right now I have a little fold-up portable table that I'm using, but I need something a little bigger because I would kind of like to make my craft room also my office/office room, because right now my office is my kitchen table and I just don't like that. I don't like having all my paperwork and stuff strung out on the kitchen table. So because anytime you have company, you have to pick all that stuff up, and at least if I had it in the craft room, I could just shut the door and no one would know. Right? So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So this is something that I always get. It's a staple. I always get this when I go. It is the Reynolds Wrap foil sheets. You get 25 in here. I use these all the time and they go really fast. And I know it's probably cheaper just to buy a big roll of the Reynolds Wrap, but I honestly just like the convenience of this just being already already cut, and I don't have to worry about it. I just pull it out because every time I end up ripping the foil when I'm taking it off the roll, and it's aggravating. So this is just more convenient. And yes, you only get 25 sheets, which isn't really a whole lot, but you got to pick and choose, people. Do you want it to have easy or do you just want to have more? I think I'd rather go for easy. So anyway, I did go ahead and just grab one of those. And then they had some more of their hint waters. Now, the last haul that I did, and I hauled hint waters, I had never tried them before. I'm telling you, this hint water is so good. If you don't like water, because there's a lot of people that don't like to drink water because it just doesn't have a flavor, right? Which I love water. It doesn't matter if it has a flavor or not, but it does go down a little easier when it does have a little bit of a flavor. So I typically like to have like lemon water, but this hint water is so good. It is just a slight, they named it perfect. It is just a slight hint of flavor. So to me, it's just perfect. So this time around, though, they did have 2 new flavors that I've not tried. This one is the black raspberry. So I'm excited to try that. I did only get, I believe, one of these, They also had, this one was a new one, apple pear, but it says with a caffeine kick. So I'm not real sure how that's going to work, but caffeine in your water, I don't know. But it is apple pear, and it has the picture of an apple on there. And then this one is the same one that I bought the last time, which is the pineapple. They did not have any of the watermelon one. So that must be a really popular flavored one because they didn't have any of those left. But honestly, the pineapple one is really good too. So I think I grabbed 2 of the pineapple and 3 of the apple pear. And then I was only able to get 1 of the black raspberry, which now that I'm looking here, the black raspberry also says caffeine kick on it, which is different than just the regular hint. So I'm not sure if there's a difference. I don't know. But surely it's got to be good because it's just water with a hint of flavor in it. So anyway, I went on too long about water. But okay, so these are so cute, but I went ahead and grabbed them. I don't really know what I'm going to do with them. I've seen a lot of people doing like little dragonflies, making dragonflies with these, but so I may do that too, or may see if I can't come up with something a little bit different. But they are the Clothespins by Crafter Square, and they come in 2 different sizes. So I picked up these. These are the 1.9 inch. You get 24 in there, which is a pretty good deal. You get, that's quite a bit. And then in this one, it just says clothespins. There's 50 in here, but these are the really teeny tiny ones. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I grabbed them because I thought, I don't know, I could try something. I might be able to make little miniature dragonflies out of those. That would be so cute. Or I know at Christmas time, I even seen people making snowflakes out of these, which is, people are so smart, so creative. Okay, so I am going to be making a tutorial in the next day or 2 that should be coming on my channel. So look for that video. But I'm going to be using one of these little flower pots from the Dollar Tree. These, I don't know if it has a size on it. Oh, it's 6.25 inches. So it's just a smaller one. It's not huge, but it's not teeny tiny either. So I'm going to be using this in a DIY, which is coming up soon on my channel. So I did just grab one of those. I have purchased these before and hauled them, but they are these little clear square containers, and these are just awesome. But my Dollar Trees doesn't always have them. But so I grabbed 4 of them. They do come in different colors. I like the clear. I use them in my craft room to store my vase filler balls in here. So, but they do have a lid, so if you see these, they do come with a lid, so make sure that you do look for the lid, because I know a lot of times people will think, well, there's no lid, they'll just take the box, and they won't get the lid, so make sure you do look for the lid that goes with it, but they just snap on there. They're really good, so I was excited to find these, because I was needing some more. I ran out of them, and I have a ton of vase fillers that I need to be putting that in so I can get this craft room organized. It's a work in progress, I'm telling you guys. It's amazing, though, I can actually get in here and sit down, because before it was like wading through a bunch of craft supplies, which was ridiculous. But anyway, so I did find some new makeup from LA Colors. And it was these lipsticks, and this is the nude ones, the Nude Glam. They only had these 3 colors to choose from. I don't know if there's any others. They had a big display set out, and it was all brand new. None of them had been taken out yet. But but this was the only 3 colors that they had because they had them lined up in 4s, but they had 2 of this same color. And this one is the Bear With Me is the color. So it's kind of a brownie color, which I think is really pretty. But they had 2 of these. They didn't have, it was, I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but they had 2 rows of these, of this color. Then they had 1 row of this color. It's called Pinky Swear, which I think is really pretty. Look at it on the model's lips. So it looks sort of, I don't know. It is a nude color. It's more of like a skin tone, like the color of your lips, you know. So anyway, I thought that was really pretty. And then they have 1 row of this one, and it says, Oh Teddy. And this is a really pretty color. So it's sort of a nudie mauve color. So I think that's going to look really pretty. So I grabbed 1 of each of those. And something else that they had that was new, which I was kind of excited. And I am wearing these today, which these are from a haul that I did here, I don't know, a few hauls back. But LA Colors had put out some new press-on nails. Well, now they have new ones that are in the coffin shape. Now, I'm not a real big fan of the coffin shape. I like the coffin shape on someone else, just not on me, only because I don't like really long fingernails. I like nails that I can actually type with and not hit the other keys. So I don't know. I don't know how you girls do it that have the really long nails. You're really talented because there's no way I can't do it. I've tried. I have tried. And I went to the bank today and the little girl was the teller. She's a little girl to me because I'm an older lady, okay? But she had really long nails and she was just typing away on that keyboard and I was watching her type and I was like, how in the world are you doing that? Because her nails were so long and I don't know how she did it without messing up, but she did a really good job. So I'm telling you, she's got talent. So anyway, they had these and they had several different patterns to choose from and they were all coffin nails. But like I said, I'm not real big on coffin nails, so I didn't get all of them. I just grabbed the 1 pair that I thought I may like. It's a little bit different. So I will probably try these. I just don't know how long I'll have them on because they are a little bit longer. But these are the coffin shaped nails and it says Brilliant Artificial Nail Tips. And you get 12 in here and this is in the pattern So Spoiled, which is sort of a leopard or I don't know if you want to call that leopard or cheetah. I don't know the difference. But they're gray with the black spots. So I thought these were really cool. The ones that I have on my nails now are the LA Colors one, but these are the short ones with the square tip. And these are really cute. I really do like them. They're the perfect length for me because, like I said, they're not really, really long. So I can actually do something with them. But the only downside is like how I've said before, that's why I got 2 packages of these, because my nails are so weird in size. Each nail is a totally different size, and I have to go through and like, I don't know, it's a whole thing whenever I put fake nails on. So not all of these nails fit like they're supposed to. They are, I think I have one on here that's way too big, but it's the only one that would fit. I didn't have any others to choose from, so I have to just make it work. But the rest of them are, they're too small, honestly, to fit my nail bed. I don't know if you guys can tell because my camera does not want to focus. But anyway, I still think they look really cute, so I did put them on. But so this time I decided to grab 2 of them, 2 packs, so that I would have enough. Even though I probably won't wear these but a day. It just depends on how bad they get on my nerves and if I can type or not, because I do a lot of work on the computer. So We'll have to see. We'll have to see. I don't know. But anyway, that is the end of this haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. To those of you that have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you all so much. So anyway, leave me a comment down below if you want to, because I like talking to you. So I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!